Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how to create an array list in Java. Let me answer. In order to create an array list in Java, we have to create an object for array list predefined class from java.util package, like using the new keyword and followed by the name of the predefined class from java.util package, that is array list. We can create an array list in Java. Okay. And also, after this predefined class, that is array list predefined class, we have to mention less than and greater than symbol and provide the type of the objects that you would like to store into this array list as a list of elements or objects. So let me practically demonstrate how to create an array list in Java. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE, and here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as class G, some random name with main method. So once the class is created and inside the main method, I'm going to create an array list. How to create an array list? Using the new keyword followed by the name of the predefined class known as array list. Array list is a predefined class in Java. Okay, and I can import this array list from java.util package of Java. And after that array list, we have to provide less than greater than symbol. And followed by that, you have to provide circular brackets. Okay, this becomes array list constructor. And here, an extra thing that we have to do in array list is that we have to add less than greater than symbol. Now, once the object is created for this array list, we can create an object reference which refers to this particular object. Okay, we have to give some name which refers to this particular object created for the array list. I'll just give some name, some random name like a list, and I have to declare this a list, some or random name given for object reference with the same array list class. And here, after this array list, as you can see, warning is coming saying that array list is a raw type, reference to generic type array list. Here we have to provide the generic type here, okay? So inside this, we have to again provide less than greater than symbol here also. And here inside this, we have to provide the type of the objects that you would like to store into this array list. So you cannot provide primitive data types here, guys. Like in arrays, you can provide integer array like that. But here in array list, you cannot provide in primitive data type. Okay, instead you have to use wrapper classes, object-oriented variation of that in primitive data type, that is a integer wrapper class type you can provide. If you want to store integer objects into this array list, then integer wrapper class. If you want to store some names in string literals, let's say string class you can give. Or if you want to store some decimal objects, decimal wrapper class instead of if you want to store some decimal values here, double wrapper class you can give instead of double primitive data type. Like that, you have to give the wrapper classes or string, or you can give object if you want to store different type of elements, okay, into this array list. So, and here guys, here also we have less than greater than symbol. It's not compulsory that you have to specify the same type that you have declared it here. You can keep it empty at that. I mean to say that you can keep it empty, and it's optional to write the same type here. Integer, you can write the same type. Okay. So, but it's not compulsory that this side you don't have to give the type here. If you give this during the declaration that the type of the objects that you are trying to store into this array list, okay, multiple objects type that you are trying to store into this array list, by specifying this type here as integer, string, object, etc. here. Okay, it's optional to give it here. If you give, no problem. If you don't give, also no problem. This is how we have to create array list in Java. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.